Okay, so we got to talk about the new software. We just added a few more features that are kind of Pixel exclusive for the most part. But the main thing, the thing that we really want to talk about here today is the call screen. This thing is a godsend, especially nowadays with all these they got these bots calling you, the number similar to yours, maybe change a few numbers, last four. It's annoying, it's stupid. But whatever the case, this is one of these cases where, okay, Google is here to help. This product is actually based off their duplex feature, which was unveiled and shown off, demoed, actually back at I/O, where they had the assistant pretty much make calls for you, set up a haircut or hair appointment or a dentist appointment. Instead of bringing that out, which that did scare a few people, they decided let's put it in a more helpful manner. So when you get a phone call, you got the option to pick up or hit screen call. So when you go with that last route, Google Assistant speaks to the person calling, asks why they're calling. And you can see that message and the call response transcribed in real time on your phone. You can hit preset responses for more info to kind of like, all right, well, I'm not sure who you are. Let's see how far you going. Let's see what you're really talking about. You have the option to pick up the phone and just talk, or you could just hit the button and bang on them, like, I don't want to talk to you. So with all the bots out there that's calling about nothing, it's definitely good to finally return the favor. I've used it a few times and definitely, again, a very good feature to have. If the camera alone wasn't a big enough reason for you to pick up the Pixel 3 or Pixel 3 XL, definitely the screen calling feature is. I know I'm happy to have it. Let us know if you have it. How do you like it? What works for you? What don't work for you? We can talk about it in the comments below. Sound off. Thanks for watching. You could have been anywhere in the world. You're here with us, and see you next video. Peace.